Hi guys, so I have a few hauls from a few stores and I'll probably break this up over 2 videos. So the first place that I was hauling was from the Stamp Market, and they did have a few things on sale and I wanted to grab them. I love the Stamp Market. I just love their style. So I was super excited to place this order. Okay, I got 2 of these. Cute. Okay, so the first thing that I'll show you is this diamond glitter paper, and it comes with 3 sheets. This paper was not on sale and it's not that cheap, but I love, you know, specialty cardstock. So these were, I think these were $6. Yeah, $6. So they come with 3 sheets, so they're $2 a sheet. So not the cheapest, but so pretty. Oh my gosh, guys, let me see if I can take this out of the packaging so you can see the prettiness, and so I can see the prettiness. This is my first time actually ordering this. You see this shine? OMG, so pretty. And there are 3 sheets, so I did get 2 packs of those. I had a feeling I was gonna love it, and I do. And then they had a lot of their foil plates on sale, and I'm planning on getting a glimmer. I haven't bought it yet, but I'm definitely gonna get one. And so this is so heavy. Wow. So I wanted to try out their foil plates because you can use, you know, these foil plates on your glimmer, and I think you can also use them on a better press, but I'm not gonna get a better press. I'm gonna get a glimmer. So anyway, this one is called Ornate Floral, and most of these were $5. So I'll tell you if they're not, but yeah, this one was $5. And then this one is called Fa La 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 La, and it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And this one, of course, $5. And then this was not on sale. I just needed it. When this came out, and I think this came out in their last release, I loved it. They're just like little simple flowers, but they are so stinking cute. So this was not on sale. This was $16. This is a full price. And then I'll go to the nail dots. Look how pretty. This one is called Bold Hearts, and this was also $5. Amazing. These are some sentiments. One of them, it looks like fell down. It looks like the Christmas, or does that say? Yeah, that says, I think that says Christmas. No, it says congrats. That says congrats. I was trying to get it to go back up. It doesn't want to. It doesn't want to. Okay, there we go. That's good enough. So this one is called Best Wishes, and it has a bunch of little sentiments on here. So it says thank you, big hugs. Oh, this is Best Wishes upside down. Okay, I'm like, what? This one says congrats. This one says smile. This one says hello, love you, and cheers. And these are also foil plates, so these are gonna be so pretty. So what a glimmer does is it's basically a way to like foil your cards or your, you know, whatever, your paper crafting. So $5 for that. Let me see. Let me just make sure. Yeah, every single thing except for like these kind of things. So this actually is the die that goes with this. So after you cut this out, so this was not on sale. So this was $12 and this was $5. So I didn't think that was bad together. So this actually, you know, cuts out around it. And this one is Delicate Dots, another $5 special. Also here, hearts for you. These are going to be so pretty as backgrounds. And then, okay, and then these were dies that were actually, I think these were on sale. I'm pretty sure these were $5 too. Yeah, they were. Okay, so we have this one, which it says simple scripty friend, but this one just says friend, and then it cuts out the word, which is all connected, which is nice, and then it has the shadow layer. And I love their font so much, so I wanted to get this. I thought this would be super cute on items, cards, whatever. This one is skinny upper numbers. I love the font. So pretty, $5. And then this is so pretty. This one is called Lace Bifold. So this is designed to go on your envelopes. And I thought this was gorgeous, so I wanted to have it especially for $5. And then this is the last $5 special. This one is called Scalloped Eyelet Cover. And again, this could be used on like a card. But really, I mean, you could use this on whatever you want, because I feel like if you wanted to do an envelope and you wanted it to just like stop right here, you could do that too. And attach it to an envelope. So that's really super pretty. Yeah, like that. And this is actually like separate. It cuts out separately, so you could have like a little like you could have these cut out and then have this next to it, because I think this edge, yeah, this edge cuts too. So this is really pretty. Scalloped eyelet cover. Yeah. Okay. And then, oh wait, we have one more. This one is a stamp, and this one is so cute. It says, oh, hello. And it's just different ways to say hey. And that's right here. And this was also $5. Okay. Then they had their enamel dots on sale, and these were all $1.25. And I was like, that's amazing. And they're so pretty. They have so many different ones. I didn't even get all the ones they had. They had so many. But this one is called collection number 11. They're just like numbered on the bottom. And it has 72 pieces. So this one is pretty with like the blues and purples. This is like, this to me reminded me of the Christmas collection that I've been using, Santa's Village by Simple Stories. So I picked this up. This is actually a green. And then this one is just pretty fun colors. This one is number 2. This is collection number 3. This is black, which is nice to have. I don't have that much of black. And then this one, these are clear. And I thought these were so pretty. So love, love. And then I got 2 packs of their crystal confetti. I love a clear sequin. So these are so pretty. Look how pretty up close. And let's see, the price of these were, these are $4.45. So this is the crystal confetti. So they have ones with holes. This is the one without holes. And then the last thing I got were these hologram glitter stars. Let me open this up because I do want to see one of these stars in. Uh-oh. I'm trying to see if there was like a slit up here, but I guess maybe it's all the way at the top. Yeah. Okay. Let's see these. I love these kind of like holograms sequins because they look so pretty in a mix. They're just like so different. Oh yeah, look how pretty, guys. Okay, wait, look. Do you see those? OMG. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I love those. And I thought these would be so cute, especially for Halloween. Oh my goodness gracious. Especially with the neons. Oh my goodness. And I actually did a really big sequin haul from Cartwright's too, which I will be hauling shortly. So that is my little Stamp Market purchase. And then I also purchased at Mama Elephant and got a few things over there because she had some cute stuff. And this was inspired by Tony, who is Craft Purged, who hauled a few things from there as well. And I just, while I was there, I was like, you know what? Let me just look around and see. So I got a bunch of things. Every single thing that I ordered was $5.99. So yeah, so that's that. They were all $5.99. Okay, so this one, look at all of these sentiments. So this is the thank you one, and this one is yeah, that's what it's called on the website. It's called thank you. And like, guys, look how many things. You're the best. Love you. I'll always be grateful for the gift, for everything. I appreciate you. What would I do without you? From the bottom of my heart, for all your hard work, being so thoughtful, believing in me, always being so kind, making me feel better, for your generosity, for being patient with me. I loved these sentiments, man. It's like it's not just like a quick, I mean, it's nice to have like a quick thank you, but also you could like do like, you know, almost like a tagline. And I like how it's like, you know, you're amazing, for being awesome, for the meal. It's very specific, for being a good friend, for being a part of my life, for being there for me, for celebrating with us, for going above and beyond, and for all your support. I love the for celebrating with us because I have a lot of family things that we like host or do, and that's a nice, it's always from all of us, you know, my whole family. So anyway, I thought this was so nice, and I love the font, especially of this thank you. Oh my goodness, I love. And this will be so cute when I like start doing more stamping and embossing this, and look how pretty and big it is. I just love it. So that's that. This one is also called, So Appreciated, but it's also like more ways of saying thank you. So you can see that, happy we're friends. And then these little tiny ones, it says just wanted to say, and thank you for going above and beyond. So I thought this was so cute. And again, I'm obsessed with the font. I love how thick this font is and like, you know, how bold it is. This one is called Lucky Friend. And you are one in a million. Hi, bestie. I love this. To my wonderful, one-of-a-kind special friend. I love that. I have a friend like this. Can't wait to see you soon. To my dearest friend, time with you is time well spent. Thank you for always being there for me. So I loved this one. And then how cute. Look at these little guys. This one is called Little Mary Sign Agenda. And the reason is because look at these little cutesy guys. So cute. So I thought these would be really fun to color. And then you could put like little things in here. They give you tiny little letters, which of course you can use for different things than just this. But I love like a cute little character that has like clean lines that I can color easily with just a few colors. So that is what the plan is for these. These are so cute. This could be used in anything, a planner. I guess, I wonder, since it says agenda, I wonder if people use it in their agendas, but of course you can use it for whatever you want. So I thought this was adorable. And then I told you I love the font, so I got the letters. These are called Layla letters. And then this one is Happy Chic Wishes. So this is happy, but then the chic part is like the script at the bottom. So this says New Year, this says everything, this says wishes, holidays, and birthday. So very cute. And then the last one is a Halloween one. And it says a little something to keep your spirits up. Trick or treat, eat, drink, and be scary. Happy Halloween, frightful and delightful. Have a spooky good time. Happy haunting, bring on the candy, open if you dare. And then the last one says smell my feet, give me something good to eat. So you could do trick or treat, smell my feet. So this is adorable. And this one is called Be Scary. So that is I'm going to do one more item, and this is from a small business, and this is from Julie, who is on YouTube and Etsy and Instagram, and this is her card, and it's Craft Designs by Julie, and that's her YouTube channel name as well. And I just ordered some flowers, and this is my second order from her. So I actually asked her, these are her medium flowers, and I asked her to make them in these colors, which I have purchased this exact color scheme before. And then I asked her to make me all pink because, of course, I use the most pink. So I ordered 4 packs of these from her, and that is Julie. And I will make sure that I put all of her info in the description bar below. And that is my little small business haul. I will have another haul for sequins coming up. And thanks guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.